It's him and I.
What's going on, YouTube? This is Marcos from Equipment Pressure Washer, back again with another video. Okay, in my last video, you see me clean this area right here. Yeah, we clean that little area right here in the back of the house. So in this video, we got to clean this area, which is the driveway, the main driveway. Has a lot of red mud on it. It has some new concrete on this side, right there, new concrete. And if you look, it goes all the way down to the bottom of this hill. So what we're gonna do on this job is we're gonna take our X-Jet and our chemical mix, which I have a lot of soap in it, to soak this area down right here. And we're gonna clean the entire driveway. Okay, we're gonna clean the top part of the driveway first and work our way down. There's nothing down at the bottom to puddle up. If it was something at the bottom of the hill that water can puddle up, I would probably do the bottom of the hill first, but it's nothing down there. So we're gonna do the top first, and we're gonna get this job done real fast. All right, let me show you. All right, as you can see, I got leaves and stuff right here, and that was from that area right there. I just got through cleaning. That's behind the house. Now the customer needs all this clean right here. This is red dirt. I'm assuming from where they had the driveway and stuff put in, but they haven't had the driveway cleaned since then. So it's not really that much mold or anything on it. So when it's not that much mold, you shouldn't be concentrated on using SH or any time to bleach. You basically want to concentrate on your cleaning solution. So you're going to want soap. Make sure that you use soap to get this stuff up. Soap is going to be your friend in an application like this. You can mix it with your regular bleach mix, but just make sure you add more soap. Can't put emphasis on that soap. Okay, so we got this part right here. We're going to move their vehicles a little bit later, but we're going to get all this stuff done. And also in this, we're going to do the sidewalks. They're in real bad shape, if you can see. All the way down to here, see all that. And we had these little marks from where they had a tractor where they was bringing in sod. So we're gonna try to get those up too. Same thing, soap. We're gonna use soap to get that clean. I don't have to do this right here, but I do have to do the wall, and I might try to do that fence right there, the front part of that fence, to show the customer how clean that fence can come. So that's gonna be in another video. But we're gonna concentrate on the sidewalk, and we're gonna do the curves also. We've got cars right here, but I'm not gonna do that right now. We're gonna have the cars out of the way. But we're gonna get the sidewalk clean. And when I go back and do the curves, make sure that you just use water. You can use a bleach solution, but you need some type of recovery system to catch the water and pump it back into a container, or either pump it back into the yard. But if you don't have that, use water only. Okay, that's the walk around. You'll see the rest of it as I go. We're gonna start right here. So let's go ahead and get the time-lapse going. everybody, that's the driveway being done. Let's go back and take a look at it. All right, as you can see, it's pretty much dry. So you can probably tell from the neighbors right there from when I cut off, stop the surface cleaner until what I'm cleaning now. It's all the way down. Got the driveway, got the curves. Let's see if we can find a good spot on the curve. But if you walk down here, we see the sidewalk. It's all done. Right here is the curve. See why I stopped at the neighbors. And clean. All right. Walk up here, look at the driveway. And like I said, it's dry. I'm not too sure what these spots are, but it was there with the concrete put down. I guess it might have rained or something on the concrete and left them spots. But that's the old concrete and this is the new concrete. All of it's clean. Turn the water off. Okay. Big difference on how everything's looking now. So, all the way up there. That's another video right there where I did this. Okay, everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is the job completed. All right, make sure that you hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video is coming out. This is Marcos from Equipment Pressure Washing. I'll see you in the next video.
It's him and I, Equipment.